Eggs for breakfast.
Yay! Whoa! Whoa! Ready? Whoa! Oh, this one's gonna be a little tricky. Whoa! Oops!
Wow!
Oh wow!
Hot, Connor, be careful. It's hot.
Okay, so maybe that wasn't such a good idea.
What? What? I don't know.
Oh, you got something to tell us?
I don't know.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, who's that? Who's that sneezing over there? Oh. Who's that? Is that Aiden on the floor over there? What do you think? What are you doing, pal? What are you doing? Bless you.
There's more water.
Oh, look who's over here. Look who's there. Hey, Aiden. Hey, pal. You just hanging out there on the floor? Yeah? What do you think, sweetie? Hey, pal. Yeah.
Oh, play. Oh, play.
Oh, you want to pick him up? Why don't you let mommy do that? Yeah.
You ready for breakfast?
All right.